Here, in the series of disadvantage of social networking, the bullying and trolling is also the disadvantage of social networking sites. It means somebody is taking the data and they are using that data for the wrong ways, for the wrong purpose. So they are able to give some points, they are able to give some comments on that. So that type of work that is also done with the help of social networking sites. So I am giving you the instructions that if you are using any social networking sites, for that it is compulsory that privacy that should also be included. If privacy is not there, you are posting your things publicly, so you are not having your profiles as a private. In that case, that type of incident that has been occurred. So next point, that is peer pressure. It means sometimes at the time of conversation, some of the people, they just think that we are asking for anything. So suppose if you have written any post, you have posted any post, after that some use they are using, or anyone they are giving the pressure for taking anything, or they are eager to know what is new, so they are forcing you. So that type of thing, that is called peer pressure. One more thing, that is irresponsible behavior. Sometimes if you are using social networking sites, at that time that type of persons, that type of users, that is also they want to talk to you, they want to give you the interaction, but some of the persons, they are not having any response to you. Suppose you have written the things that about the today's world, that this world is facing the problems in this category, in this time. Most of the people, they are giving the response, but some of the persons, those behavior, those negligency, that shows you that this is totally wastage, so that type of behavior, that is also occurred if you are using social networking sites. So here last point, that is attention seeking disorder or addictions. Some of the times the persons, they are not giving the attention, but some of the times just they are opposing to your post or any other post also. So they are creating this type of innocence, or they are not following the things. So that is called disorders, that is called addictions. They are creating addictions. So that type of things, that will also be generated, that is also be created by the social networking sites. So I want to tell you that if you are creating this type of problems, or anyone is creating this type of problems, you avoid them and you close that persons, or you remove that type of friends, so that you will not face the problems. Here I am going to write one HTML code for you so that you are able to work for the HTML pages, HTML web pages. So I want to write here that by the code you are able to work more and more. So I am going to write one HTML program for displaying the table in this order. See, here we are having one questions in front of us. Like name and city. See, we want to create in this web page a table in that one column that is name, one column that is city. So here we are writing the name like Ajay, Eta, Aman, Agra, Akshar, Agra. See, if we want to display the table of this type of tables, so for that we have to use different works so that you can able to make the code. Now I am writing the code HTML close. See, after that the head portion, we are writing. After that any title we are writing title ABC, then title should be closed. Title should be closed. So if we have written title, after that the body portion will be started. See, in between the body portion, body tag, some points we have to write regarding the table. Actually, table is the formation through that the data can be kept in the form of rows and columns. So here rows and these are the columns. So if we are storing it in the same format, for that we have to take the help of a table tag. So that's why we are writing here table. After that, if you are taking the help of the borders means this outer line. Outer line if you are creating, so table then border equals to any size that can